Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress theme step by step. Whether you're creating a blog, business, website, or portfolio, installing a theme is the first step to changing your website design. So let's get started. After logging into the dashboard, go to the left slide bar, hover over Appearance and click on Themes. Here you can see all the installed themes on your website. To install a new themes, click the Add New button on the top. Now you can browse a thousand of free WordPress themes. For example, I will search for Astra. Once you find the theme, you want to click Install. Active the installation is completed. Click to the Active button and I am waiting for the installing. Yeah, I'm clicking on the activated button and that's it. Your now WordPress theme is live on your website. We are checking. As you can see, the website design has completely changed with the new themes. If this video helped you, make sure to like the videos and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.